Ayan po, kasama po natin the one and only Ma'am Charo.
Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you very much for coming to this special screening. Hi, Chris. And thank you so much. Really, you're so sweet. Thank you so much. I hope you will enjoy the film. Only we know it took us 7 years to get to where we are now. But I think I'm confident that we're offering a beautiful experience. So I hope you will enjoy the film. Thank you for me, Direct Irene Emma Pinero.
Thank you po for the support. Thank you, Belle. Ang sweet na nakakagulat. Maraming salamat po. Sana ma-enjoy ninyo yung pelikula and you can help us spread the word. Thank you. Thank you, Belle.
I just want to say that, this is a big surprise for me. I was asking, really, Belle is sponsoring this vlog screening. Thank you. Thank you so much. This is much appreciated. Thank you.